Hmm. Where'd she go? It's been so long. I hope she has fun on her vacation.